Then next day again they are ready to go to a picnic for to outside. Then again Nakul grumbled gloomily. Gloomily means sad and depressed again. He saying to the Akash, maybe it's sure to rain. Then how can we go out to the picnic? Suddenly the again Akash said, no, it will not. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine. Akash declared and looked at the Nakul. Why do you always look at the dark side of things? Like that he is telling to the Nakul. Dark side of things is a idioms, means negative thinking. Why you always thinking negative? He said, don't be wet blanket all the time. A wet blanket means a person who spoils other people's pleasure. Like that the Nakul thinking always negative. So listen that Nakul felt annoyed. Annoyed means anger and walked away to join the other boys. And he led to the Akash. He joined to the other boys to enjoy the picnic. He refused the Akash judgment. As usual, the day did turn out to be fine. In spite of this, Nakul found himself unable to enjoy the outing. Was it because of his tiff? Tiff means small argument. He did know with Akash. That's why he's not enjoying the picnic. Then he found himself unable to enjoy the outing. Though Nakul, who was hidden behind some rocks, l- he listened about the master's conversation, means talking. Standing behind the rocks, he listened, overheard his master's talking. Game master and Mr. Varghese both are talking about the Akash. What they're telling? They admire that plucky little fellow Akash. He's so cheerful despite his lame leg, said Mr. Varghese. Plucky means showing determined courage in the face of difficulties. And that Akash has a lame leg. Lame leg means unable to walk properly because of a problem with one's feet or leg. Akash have this problem, but also he always very cheerful, keeping on his face. You are right, the game master said to the Mr. Varghese. I have been watching him and really marvel at how courageously he faces things. Do you know he is always ready to help others? Like that, they both discussed. We could certainly do with more boys like Akash, Mr. Varghese remarked. Really, his cheerfulness in the face of difficulties is proving to be a good example to others. And I heard from the headmaster that Akash was a keen on joining this school. He's with interested only he joined this school as a boarder, though his parents were reluctant, means unwilling, to expose their only son to the rough and tumble of boarding school life. The parents know very well how was the boarding school. It is very rough and tumble. But also Akash only self decided to join the boarding school to change the environment. So listen this all. Nakul thoughtful. When he heard all this, he recalled how the Akash helped him, though he could have easily looked the other way. When the Nakul had caused a fleeting means lasting for only a short time of pain. Akash eyes when his leg hurt and he thought that no one was watching him. Nakul admitted to himself that Akash's cheerful, positive outlook was like a bracing tonic which infused his own way of thinking. Bracing tonic means supportive, stimulative himself. He was always admitted that his constant grumbling means a low rumbling sound. Be irritating to someone who likes to look at the bright side of things. Akash not thought about the people would be thinking about his advice or what they maybe they irritate to listen his advice, but he's not bothered about that. The next day, Nakul saw Akash among the spectators. Spectator means viewers, those who are watching the games at the football match between classes 7th and 8th. Here, the Akash sitting and watching that game. Come on, Rahul, get the ball and pass it to the Deepak who's nearer the goal. Like this way, Akash encouraging to them to play the game. Then after Nakul came and seated beside of Akash and said, I am sorry for leaving you in a picnic. Uh, and I heard you. I heard you. Sorry for that. So listen that Akash suddenly say, it's okay. Then again they make friendship again. Then the Nakul said, I admire you. Despite your handicap, you are always cheerful. Doesn't it hurt you? Can't join in the game? Asked the Nakul to Akash. So listen this. Akash replied, I didn't hurt at first, but now I confessed. I was very touchy about it too. Then when the people are telling I am a handicap, but first time my grandma told me no one wants to weep with you if you are always sad. Lonely you will never be if you are brave and glad. Search the clouds, you are sure to see a gleam of light will follow. Though today is grim and grey, remember there is tomorrow. Means grandma want to say it means if you are always sad and depressed, no one likes to cry with you. But if you are brave and glad, you will never be alone. And you must have hope in your life. The different Definitely you will find it. If you are not succeeded today, instead of feeling sad or depressed, always remember that there is tomorrow. So these words make me to change my life way, and these words are always remember me and helping me to find easy way and make a friendship with others, and realized then I couldn't go through life with a chip on my shoulder, that others in the world are worse off than me. So I decided to spread cheer, happy in my own way. And by following my grandma words, I always be positive thinking, and always I will be ready to help the other person. Like this way, they both are understood their feelings and thinking. Overall, the theme of this lesson is Nakul's positive attitude value is friendship, is encouragement. Posit- so, in this lesson, we understood the positive thoughts, kindful to help others, always be ready to take good suggestions. By, by following these words, we can get the success in our life. That's all, children.